All right, all right, all right. What is up, people? How are y'all doing? It is Daniel Wiafi, and I am coming at you with lesson one of document preparation millions. And let me not even say millions, because yeah, I will say millions. I'll say riches. Honestly, I don't even know what to title this, but I'm just basically going to give you guys a 4 day training and a workshop on what I did over the past 12 plus years in document preparation and how I became successful and how we've made over $3 million doing such in the document preparation field. So this training, you guys and ladies, is going to be for anybody that wants to be a paralegal and have their own business, a document preparer. You want to be an LDA, a legal document assistant. You want to do immigration, divorces. You want to do probates, estates. You want to do bankruptcies. This is for attorneys because the same things or precepts that I've used to explode my business and to pretty much get to a point where we're ranging anywhere between $50,000 to $80,000 a month. It's the same exact milestones and the same exact process that a lawyer would need to take. Okay, which is pretty sick. So attorneys in our city in Las Vegas, they honestly get pissed off at us because we're killing it. And the reason why we kill it is because we have proper marketing. That's number one. We have a proper sales process. That's number two. And we have a proper strategic plan, number three. And that's something which I'm going to teach to you, ladies and gents, as long as y'all stick with me for the next few days of training. Okay. So this is free training. I'm not promising you that you're going to make a single cent because I don't know you. I don't know what you are doing. I don't know how much you're going to implement. I don't know how well you will take my direction. Okay. All I can do is tell you what I personally did in order to crush it and get myself and my family and my household financial freedom. Okay. Also, this is the training that I'm going to teach you guys because at the end of the day, it's pretty much marketing, sales, and how you strategize your game plans for running your business. That is literally going to be 90% of the reason why you're able to get success. Okay. If you can have proper marketing, which is what you do to attract people that want to pay you money, that want to buy your services. If you have a proper sales system, which means the people that do reach out to you from your marketing, you know how to sell them and get them to give you their hard-earned money into your hand, right? And then if you have the proper strategy, which is thirdly, right, then you will be able to run a business that pretty much runs itself. And again, it gives you freedom. All right. So again, this is going to be for document preparers, paralegals, LDAs. Make sure you check to make sure that you're able to do it in your state. Okay. For people in immigration, divorces, lawyers. This is going to even be for people that are notaries. You wanted to be a loan processing agent. This is for people that want to do insurance and pretty much any type of service-based business, you guys. Okay. But let's go ahead and jump into the training. So what I am going to do is I am going to bring up my whiteboard. All right. Yes, yes. And for those of you guys who have questions, hit me up in the comment section on the YouTube videos if you're watching this on YouTube, or hit me up at the link, which is in the YouTube video. There may be a link to a website or to my Facebook page. So whatever link is out there, hit me up. All right. So day one training of documents preparation. And let's call this of how Daniel Wiafi makes $50K to $80K a month. Okay. Now, as I write this, you guys, I'm not putting $50,000 to $80,000 a month in my pocket. Okay, that would be the lie. I'm not. Obviously, there's expenses that go into that, right? But I clear a very, very, very healthy sum that actually goes into my pocket after marketing and payroll and filing fees are paid. Okay, and that's what I'm going to teach you over the next 4 days. Okay, so let's see. What type of services? What type of services can you offer? Okay, so when you're doing document preparation, you guys, you can do obviously document preparation, and different states call it different things. Some call it LDA, which means legal document assistance, paralegal. All right, and again, check if you're a non-attorney. Okay, if you're a non-attorney, which means you are not licensed by the bar, okay? If you're a non-attorney, check your state's regulations to see if you can do it in your state. Yay, all right? So just as a summary, the states that I do know that you can do this in is obviously Nevada, which I'm in, Arizona, and you know what, let me get lazy. I'm just gonna type in the state abbreviations. So Arizona, definitely California, and then definitely Florida, definitely Georgia. You can definitely do it in New York, and definitely you can do it in New Jersey. And then let's see, Texas, I believe is a no. So I'm just gonna put yes, and then no. I'm gonna put Texas, and then Oklahoma, you can definitely do it. Nebraska, okay. And there's another state that you can't do it in, I believe Kansas and Tennessee, you can't do it. And then maybe, I believe you can do it in Oregon and Washington states. All right. So those are the states that I know about. Okay. So just double check and just do the research to see if you're a non-attorney, can you do document preparation in your states? Okay. Obviously, all attorneys. All right. So if you are barred and you can practice law in your states, then all this stuff that we're going to teach, yes, you can do it. My favorite is divorce and family law. Okay. Another thing that is good for you to use this training that we're going to put you through would be bankruptcies. Okay. Those are pretty easy. Criminal, specifically DUI. Okay, DUI is going to be a lot easier to focus on. Okay, also estates and probates. All right, and then also you can focus on immigration. Immigration is good, but it's kind of long. Okay, so I'm just going to put questionable. Okay, maybe you don't want to deal with a long ass process. Okay. You can also do PI, which stands for personal injury. All right. Only thing with personal injury is you can make a crap ton of money if you're an attorney, but the thing is, it's a very long process before you get paid. So that's something which may be questionable to you as well. Okay. And then real estate, and then you can do Social Security, and there's so many other things that you can do. Okay, but for the most part, you guys, if you're just wanting to do something that is pretty much a game plan and you're gonna like kill it right off the bat, focus on divorce or family law, bankruptcy, criminal, specifically DUI, and then estates and probates. Okay, those will be the 4 main areas that I would focus on. Okay, you can also use this, you guys that are non-attorneys, you can also use my training, you guys, and make a healthy $10,000 a month. Okay. So let's just put that as a goal. All right. I believe that everybody, for the most part, should try to make $10,000 a month. Okay. If you make $10,000 a month, you're good. Okay. In most areas of the country, $10,000 a month, you're good. All right. Because that gives you a healthy $120,000 a year gross. And let's say you're spending $20,000, $30,000 a month. I'm sorry, a year in expenses and whatnot, then you're still clearing a high $90,000 to $100,000 a month. Okay. So, matter of fact, I'm not even going to say the goal, I'm going to say the minimum goal. Okay. So, please have a minimum goal of at least $10,000 a month. All right. Some of you guys may have goals of 20K, 30K a month. Okay. Some of y'all may have goals of hitting 50 to 80K like me a month or more. Okay. But at minimum, you guys stretch out $10,000 a month. Okay. All right. Beautiful. That being said, other things that you can use this in, you guys, is many people that I have talked to over the past couple of years since I started doing these videos is I've talked to people that are notaries and then they want to do loan process serving. Okay. And then you can even be a mobile notary as well, but you don't really make that much money off of that. Okay. You can use this training, you guys, for other professional services. All right. So some of y'all may be doing, give me one second. Some of you guys may be doing real estate. Some of you guys may be doing insurance. Some of you guys may be doing a lot of different other things. Okay. But you can use this training and all of that. All right. Now, next thing that I want to discuss, you guys, is, give me one second. Let's create a new window. Is the riches, let me put some dollar signs. Let me make this kind of fancy. The riches are in the niches. Okay. So one common problem that people have is they try to do everything and anything. Okay. They try to do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of XYZ, a little bit of ABC. Okay. And one common rule of thumb that I tell to people that I've coached, and I've coached many people who have gotten to a point where they're making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 plus a month over the years. Okay. But one common rule that I tell people, and the one thing that I see my successful students do, you guys, is they focus. All right. You cannot focus on 2 or 3 or 4 plus things at the same time. Okay. And I believe there's an old Indian proverb which basically states that if a man chases after 2 rabbits, he catches none. Okay. That includes y'all ladies, so don't talk about us men. All right. So if a man chases 2 rabbits, he catches none. All right. You do not want to be a jack of all trades and master of none. Okay. That sucks. All right. I want you guys to make money. All right. How much money? At least $10,000 plus a month minimum. Okay. If this is for you. All right. The concepts of building a document preparation business, a service, professional service business, a law firm, whatever it is that you want to run, ladies and gents, is easy. Okay. It's simple. All right. But the actual implementation of it, you guys, is going to require hard work. Okay. This is not for the weak. This is not for people that want to be millionaires in the next 30 days, 60 days, because guess what? You're not going to be. Okay. That's not going to happen. Okay. Sorry to say that. All right. But if you're willing, let me put if in all capitals, if you're willing to put in the sweat, look, I'm spelling things, put in the sweat, the blood, and tears. Okay. Now, I never shed any blood as I was building my businesses. Okay, I shed some sweat, and hey, I try to say that I'm a manly man, but I may have shed a few tears at times, okay, but I never shed any blood, okay. But you have to be willing to put in the time and the effort, okay. Put in the time and effort, and focus, you guys. Focus and stay diligent for at least 12 months, okay? At least 12 months. We would be so much further as a people if we would focus and stay on one thing and focus on it and master it and get through the bumps and the holes and the ditches. If we just focus and remain diligent and we just worked, okay? Like, honestly, anything that you do, you guys, this is the secret to success, you guys. I've had 4 businesses over my career that have generated me 6 to 7 figures. And the things that I recall, from my early 20s to my early 40s, which I am right now, the thing which helped me, you guys, and the thing that I saw was the same is the businesses that I succeeded in, you guys and ladies, were the ones that I focused my time and my effort in it for over a year. Okay. Now, there are many other businesses that I tried, and maybe I spent a month at it, or 2 months, or 3 months, maybe less, you guys, right? And then stuff happened where I was like, oh crap, this is hard, this sucks. Something came up where the going got a little bit tough, and I was like, oh well, this sucks, I'm not doing this anymore. Don't do that, okay? If you're gonna do this, you guys, do this well and focus for at least 12 months, okay? So be consistent, you guys. Again, the riches are in the niches, all right? So let's explain that a little bit further, okay? Basically what that means, you guys, is once again, focus. And so if you're doing a document preparation business, right? If you're doing a law firm, right? Don't be that guy or gal that says, hey, I'm going to do divorces and bankruptcies. Look, I'm spelling things, and bankruptcies and immigration. And I do contracts, don't be that person, okay? You can't do it all at once, okay? Now, what you can do is you can start off with doing divorces and then work it for a year or 2 years, 3 years, get it successful, you're making a ton of money. And then once you have had success with the divorces, then you can say, hey, let's go ahead and add on bankruptcies, okay? And then you focus on that, and then you make money with that, and then you have your system created around that. And then you start adding things. You see how that works, ladies and gents? So that's what you want to do, okay? And that's my recipe for success, you guys. And again, I can't promise you that this is going to work for you. All I can speak for is myself and the people that I have coached in the past, who, when they followed what I taught them, they were successful. So it is what it is, all right? So what we're going to cover, you guys, over the next few days is day 1, which is today. We are talking about the intro and how much you can make and the type of services you can do. Okay. Day 2, which is tomorrow, we are going to talk about marketing 101. All right. Marketing is the lifeblood of any business. And this is going to be how you actually bring in clients. Okay. This is the systems that you're putting out there, which puts your message out there into the world, into the universe, into your state, city, and people that are looking for your services, your specific service, be it divorce, bankruptcy, immigration, probate, whatever it is, they're like, oh, hey, this guy or this gal is offering what I want. Okay. And then day 3, we're going to cover sales. Okay. Sales 101. Ooh, I know it's an icky word, isn't it? All right. But sales simply is you taking the people that your marketing has brought in, and then you having a short conversation with them, either on the phone, in person, over email, over text, over whatever. All right. And then you assess their situation. You see if you can help them. If you can help them, you give them an offer, you give them a price, and then they pay you money. And then that's it. You don't need to feel like a slimy slime bucket when you're doing sales. It's just having a nice, good conversation. Okay. And we'll discuss it. But one of the biggest things which makes me successful in sales, you guys, is I have fun with it. I talk to people. I'm empathetic. I do people the correct way, right? If I can help you, I can help you. If I can't, I can't. And that's what I do. All right. And then day 4, which is going to be the last day, we're going to cover putting it all together. Okay. Putting it all together. And then how to scale your business by hiring people, because you don't want to be working this all the days of your life, right? And then some of you guys are going to want to work with me. Some of you will want to work with me, and that's fine. And I will tell you how you go about working with me. So depending on where I'm at, spaces would be limited. Okay. So tune in tomorrow, you guys. Make sure you like this video, comment on it. Go ahead and comment on it and let me know your name. Let me know who was here. Okay, so comment on this video and let me know your name and city and how you found this video, what you want to do in the doc prep business, how much you want to make per month. Don't you hate people that write in all caps? It's almost like you're yelling. And then for those of you guys who want to reach out to me past the YouTube video, there's going to be a link in the description. So anyways, Daniel Wiafi, thank you guys and ladies, you beautiful people, for watching little old me. And we're going to have fun tomorrow. Again, tomorrow we're going to talk about marketing. Peace and God bless y'all. Bye.